Hey guys, welcome to Tech Locker. Now today we're taking a look at the Jabra Elite 75T, a pair of truly wireless earbuds that in today's market are quite appealing. Real quick before we get started, let's talk about what you get in the box along with some of the features that you'll be getting when paying around $180. So straight off the bat, we get IP55 certification. What that means is water and dust resistance, so no having to worry about sweat or grime with these. You're also getting top of the line Bluetooth 5.0 and the ability to pair up to 2 devices at a time, which could be quite convenient for some. Now in terms of presentation, Jabra has done a hell of a job, but once inside we are greeted by the hosts themselves, the 75Ts. These happen to be the titanium black, but you can also pick them up in just black. The charging case is built well and compact, and it's going to provide the earbuds with the ability to go up to 28 hours on a single charge. Now the earbuds themselves hold a charge of up to 7.5 hours, and they do charge via USB Type-C. That's seeming to be the standard nowadays, and that's the case itself. Now unfortunately, the case doesn't provide you with wireless charging, so you are always going to have to plug it in order to get some charge. You also get some additional ear tips to better suit your type of ear. Now before you get to using these, to get the full experience and truly see what these earbuds are all about, you're going to have to download the app, which should be available in both iOS and Android, that being the Jabra Sound Plus app, which should give you control over the EQ and all the basic controls of the earbuds themselves. Now the build on these earbuds are quite nice. They won't protrude out of your ears and they'll actually stay in your ear when going through jump-in motions or actually going for a run. They do have button controls that can control just about anything, including volume, and they're easy to use and they won't feel like you're actually pushing them in when using those controls. They can as well control all voice assistants, which means you can choose between Google Assistant, Bixby, Apple Siri, or Amazon Alexa, which is awesome. It pretty much lets you decide what assistant to use. Also, the built-in sensors work perfectly, so when taking out the earbuds, content will pause and will continue once putting those back in. That's something that a lot of these earbuds actually lack. Now, the only drawback is that if you only want to use one earbud, it's going to have to be the right one, but that's just something minor to deal with. In addition though, we do have 4 microphones on these for when on calls. That should help with better clarity on the other end. Also, to help out with calls, there's a feature called side tone that should help with being able to hear yourself. That way you're not out in public shouting and having people look at you like a crazy person. Sound, now this is where it gets a bit iffy for the price. I'd say there's better options out there. I don't mean to say that these are bad in any way. They're actually great. They are bassy, so if that's something you like, you'll get a lot of it here. You can always mess around with the EQ settings and best find what suits you. But overall, with all the features and ability to customize almost everything about these via software, I'd say they're a great buy. Now, due to there being alternatives like Galaxy Buds, AirPods, and Power Beats, I recommend shopping around again. These will set you back about $180, are available in 2 color options, and are definitely an improvement on these 65Ts. Anyways, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for more, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.